Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CMAT 2024 exam highlights, exam pattern, syllabus, preparation, cutoff and more. The Common Management Admission Test is conducted by NTA. It is conducted once a year and the exam mode will be online computer based test. The medium of exam will be in English. It consists 100 number of questions. It includes 5 sections: language comprehension, quant and DI, logical reasoning, GK, and innovation and entrepreneurship. The marking scheme of CMAT is 4 marks for correct answer and 25% negative marking, that is 1 mark for every incorrect answer. There will be multiple choice question with the total marks of 400 and the exam duration will be 3 hours 180 minutes and the official website of CMAT is cmat.nta.nic.in. Let's check the CMAT 2024 eligibility criteria. There is no upper age limit to appear for CMAT exam. You must be in possession of a bachelor's degree or its equivalent in any stream from a recognized university. No minimum aggregate marks are required in graduation to apply for CMAT 2024 exam. Candidates in the final year of graduation can also apply for NTA CMAT 2024 exam. There is no limit on the number of attempts taken by an individual. Let's check the CMAT 2024 exam pattern. The language comprehension, quantitative techniques and data interpretation, logical reasoning, journal awareness, innovation and entrepreneurship consists 20 number of questions. The total number of questions will be 100. Let's check the CMAT 2024 marking scheme. For every correct response, plus 4 marks will be allotted. For every incorrect response, minus 1 marks will be deducted. For unattempted questions, 0 marks allotted. It must be noted that if after the conclusion of the answer key challenge, if more than 2 options for any question are found to be correct, then only the candidate who have attempted the same will be given full marks. Further, if a question is dropped later, then all candidates will be given full marks irrespective of the attempt. Let's check the CMAT 2024 syllabus. In quantitative techniques and data interpretation, topics are speed, time and distance, ratio and proportion, percentage, average, profit tables, bar graph, line charts, Venn diagram, pie charts. In logical reasoning, the topics are logical sequence, number and letter series, binary logic, direction sense, clock and calendars, puzzles, syllogism, sitting arrangement, coding, decoding, blood relations. In language comprehension, the topics are reading comprehension, sentence correction, grammar, vocabulary based para jumbles. In journal awareness, important topics are current affairs of national and international economy, personalities in news, Indian constitution, sports, news, politics, history, culture, geography, economic science in everyday life. In innovation and entrepreneurship, the important topics are important events, budget, economic survey, business and corporate affairs, new investment and schemes, policies related to entrepreneurship and business promotion, startups, journal economy and current affairs. Let's check the CMAT quant topic wise weightage. Arithmetic section in 2021 having a weightage of 11 number of questions, whereas in 2022 was having a weightage of 8 number of questions. In 2023 will be having a weightage of 6 number of questions. In algebra section in 2021 was having a weightage of 4 number of questions, whereas in 2022 was having a weightage of 1 number of questions. In 2023 will be having a weightage of 2 number of questions. In number system section in 2021 was having a weightage of 4 number of questions. In 2022 was having a weightage of 2 number of questions. In 2023 will be having a weightage of 5 number of questions. In geometry section, 2021 was having a weightage of 1 number of questions, whereas in 2022 was having a weightage of 2 number of questions. In 2023 will be having a weightage of 1 number of questions. Let's check the CMAT verbal ability topics wise weightage. The reading comprehension in 2022 was having a weightage of 4 number of questions, whereas in 2023 will be having a weightage of 5 number of questions. The synonyms and antonyms was having a weightage of 2 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 the synonyms and antonyms will be having a weightage of 7 number of questions. The phrasal verbs in 2022 was having a weightage of 3 number of questions, whereas in 2023 will be having a weightage of 7 number of questions. Word meaning and spelling in 2022 was having a weightage of 2 number of questions, whereas in 2023 will be having a weightage of 7 number of questions. Let's check the CMAT logical reasoning topic wise weightage. In linear arrangement, in 2021 and 2022 was having a weightage of 1 number of questions, whereas in 2023 will be having a weightage of 2 number of questions. In blood relations, in 2021 or 2022 was having a weightage of 2 number of questions, whereas in 2023 will be having a weightage of 3 number of questions. In number series, in 2021 and 2022 was having a weightage of 1 number of questions, whereas in 2023 will be having a weightage of 1 number of questions. In direction test section, in 2021 was having a weightage of 2 number of questions, whereas in 2022 was having a weightage of 3 number of questions, whereas in 2023 will be having a weightage of 1 number of questions. Going the analysis of question asked in innovation and entrepreneurship CMAT section in the last 2 years, the below mentioned topics are extremely important. Basic business and entrepreneurship knowledge, government schemes, policies, events related to innovation, startups, investment and entrepreneurship, name of companies and CEOs, brand names and taglines, startup and venture development, stages, organizations, problems, fundraising, venture capital, investment and entrepreneurship related terms. Let's check the CMAT 2024 preparation tips. First, you need to plan your study. This is the first step to CMAT 2024 preparation. Every candidate must plan and allocate their time to studies and stick to the plan. Allot to the time according to the difficulty level of the section and the time taken to prepare for it. While CMAT preparation 2024, candidates must make sure that every section is covered. All the hours and days before the exam must be organized according to the syllabus. Solve mock test. The candidate must solve as many mock tests as possible from other sources of CMAT preparation. These tests will help the candidate familiarize themselves with their weakness as well as strong points. Distributive learning. The candidate must try and cover more than one subject in one day to ensure extensive CMAT preparation 2024. Studying one subject for too long will make excessive studying redundant. Revise regularly. Gradual and regular revision makes the candidate familiar with the types of question and CMAT exam pattern. It helps the candidate to get disciplined about their CMAT 2024 preparation strategy. Make basics your strength. There are always some basic questions from all the sections that are present in the question paper almost every year. The nature of these questions is the same. Candidate must practice these questions as much as possible. It helps in solving the predictive questions in the minimum time possible during the examination. Practice last year's question paper. To get an exact idea about the exam and get familiar with the pattern, candidate must practice last year's question paper. This will avoid last minute anxiety. Take regular breaks. The candidate must go for shorter study sessions for efficient CMAT preparation. During the preparation for CMAT 2024, candidate must keep in mind that studying for long intervals will make their brain tiresome. Set a finishing date. The candidate must set a deadline for the completion of the whole syllabus and plan the whole CMAT 2024 preparation process accordingly. A deadline needs to be set for every section so that those candidates can finish learning new topics and concentrate on revising them. Let's check the CMAT 2024 expected sectional cutoff. Quantitative techniques and data interpretation expected cutoff is 50. Language comprehension expected cutoff is 50. Logical reasoning expected cutoff is 40. Journal awareness expected cutoff is 45. Innovation and entrepreneurship expected cutoff is 40. Let's check the CMAT 2024 expected cutoff for top colleges. For the JBIMS Mumbai, the expected cutoff percentile is 99.99. For the Sydenham Institute of Management Studies, Research and Entrepreneurship Education, the expected cutoff percentile is 99.97. For the Goa Institute of Management, Goa, the expected cutoff percentile is 99.8. For the KJ Simsar, Mumbai, the expected cutoff percentile is 99.2. For the Pumba DMS, the expected cutoff percentile is 96.42. For the Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai, the expected cutoff percentile is 95. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.